In this video, we're going to do another gravimetric stoichiometry question. And stoichiometry always requires a balanced chemical reaction. You need to organize all the information given in the problem, calculate the chemical amount of the given chemical. And the given chemical is the one that you've been given enough information to figure out its chemical amount. Then you use the coefficients to calculate the chemical amount of what you're required to find out about, and then calculate your final quantity using that chemical amount. So you can balance, organize, get the number of moles or the chemical amount of the given, use the coefficients to get the chemical amount of required, and then calculate the final quantity that you're being asked for. So in this question, it asks us about powdered zinc metal. So powdered zinc metal reacts violently with sulfur when heated to produce zinc sulfide. Predict the mass of sulfur required to react with 25 grams of zinc. So you've got zinc solid plus sulfur, which is S8 solid, to produce zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide, zinc, you'll remember, zinc has a 2 positive charge and sulfide has a 2 negative charge. This isn't a balanced reaction. It must be balanced. So I need 8 sulfurs, and that's going to be 8 zincs. So you can see it takes 8 zincs to react with 1 sulfur. Now, I'm going to organize this. It tells me that I want to react 25 grams of zinc. Zinc's atomic mass from the periodic table is 65.41 gram per mole. I want to know what the mass of sulfur that reacts with it will be. I can find the molar mass of sulfur. So there are 8 sulfurs, and each sulfur is 32.07 gram per mole. So this is going to be 256.56 gram per mole. Now, I have enough information to calculate this. So I'm going to start by calculating the number of moles of zinc they're talking about. So it's mass divided by molar mass. It's 25 gram divided by 65.41 gram per mole. And that gives me 0.382 mole of zinc. But I want to know about the number of moles of sulfur. So I'm going to take the 0.382 mole of zinc, and zinc's going to go in the denominator, and I want sulfur in the numerator. 1 sulfur reacts for 8 zinc. So I'm going to get 0.0478 mole of sulfur. And once I know the number of moles of sulfur that react, I can calculate the mass of sulfur. It's N times molar mass. So it's going to be 0.0478 mole times my molar mass, which was 256.56 gram per mole. And I end up getting 12.3 gram of sulfur is required to react with my 25 grams of zinc. So that's a second example on how to do gravimetric stoichiometry. It always requires a balanced reaction, organize your information, find the chemical amount of the given, find the chemical amount using the coefficients of the required, and then use it to find the final amount.